back to another episode of KashHeroes. It's been so long, right? Yeah. Do you remember the last time I uploaded a video? It was on December. It's been like a few days, 2 weeks, a fortnight, maybe even 3 weeks. Yes, that's a really long time since I've uploaded. But today, we are gonna make magic with papers. Today, I'm gonna be making 3 magic paper tricks. Wow! When my mom showed the trick for the first time, I was really amazed. I could not believe how the tricks were. That's why it's called a trick. All you need is a glue stick, scissors, pen to obviously mark down where the pen is to mark down where you should cut. And of course, obviously the 3 papers. Now I'm going to show you first magic trick. Okay, I put some glue and that's all we need. So I am gonna stick this part there. So wait, on edge to edge. Now you need to cut like this. In the middle, yeah, look, see, it's very good. Look. Well, this is folded. Only the bottom is piercing. Bottom of this is a... And it became 2 circles. I know how it is. Because when the circle cuts into half, it obviously becomes 2. Now I'm gonna show you the second magic trick. Now you have to mark like this and put glue on the end. So be careful. While sticking, one time you need to twist. This is the hard part, obviously. Did I twist one time?
Yes.
Okay. And then stick that end to end. I twisted it and I'm cutting along the line. Obviously, I
Don't hold. Don't.
I made a hole so I can track where I'm going. Actually, I can cut. This is not as easy. This is not as easy as the first one. And it became an even bigger circle. It became an even bigger circle. Without a twist, we got 2. And with a twist, we got 1 big circle. How's it, guys? It's totally good. Last but not least, we are making the final magic trick. For last trick, you also need to mark. Yes, so it's gonna be even harder than the second one. 2 times twists. Oh, my glue stick just fell down. Now, while sticking, you need to be careful. You need to do 2 twists I did 2 twists because you can see this. That first twist, not 9. But huh? Okay. Cut along the line.
చెప్పు.
Okay. I do not want to reveal what it will do. I do not want to reveal. I want it to be a surprise. Okay. I'm going to track where I'm going. Track where I am going. Okay. Be careful. Cut along the line. Look, I'm actually cutting along the line. On the line, actually. Okay, it became 2 hearts. Yes. Look, see? 2 hearts. Without a twist, we got 2 circles. With a twist, we got 1. With 2 twists, we got 2 hearts. Got 2 hearts. How is this? Is it good? I absolutely loved it. And bye. This is the end of today's episode. And bye. I'll catch you